Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at Finding Inner Peace inspiration cards. Become the best version of yourself. This is published by RockPool, retailing for $24.95 in the US and $18.99 in the UK. And in the description box below, I will be linking where you can purchase this legitimately should you want to. And whilst you're there, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of the links to my social media as well as the link to my Etsy shop where I do private readings. All right, so this is by Olivia Burki. Hopefully I am pronouncing that correctly. So 36 cards, a booklet, and a wooden stand. Okay, so far the price tag's good for me. The more you feed your mind with positive thoughts and the more you treat your soul and body well, the more you find yourself coming back to your true self. All right, this packaging is really pretty. Let's see. Ooh, okay. You can always look ahead and take control of your life. Is this magnetic? It's magnetic. All right. Oh, there's that wooden that's so cool. Awesome. Okay, so before we get into the cards, let's just take a look at this little booklet. See if there's anything pertinent that we need to know. So how to use the cards. The Finding Inner Peace cards are divided into 4 sections, which are outlined below. Pick one card each day from any of the sections to act as a focus for motivation, understanding, and as a reminder to be kind to and appreciative of yourself. Oh, awesome. Okay, so I'm going to read these just so we understand how the deck is used. I will put a timestamp down here on the screen if you want to skip ahead to just the cards. So, ready to rise up. You realize something is wrong, that you are dissatisfied with yourself. Things that used to make you happy no longer feel right. Perhaps there are people in your life who are holding you back. You recognize this and want to change your life, and the cards in this section will help you take the first steps forward and show you that fallbacks are not a reason to give up. They help you to grow. Light is wrapping me. So, change can be painful and difficult, but the love you have for yourself is big enough to block everything that stands in the way of your serendipity. The light that has always been within you is redeveloping its power and warmly supports you on your journey and shows you how to treat yourself with love. Growing to my fullest potential. Your thoughts are potent. The more positive they are, the more positive things will happen in your life. So get over your ego and utilize this power. Become more and more aware of how much your body and soul react to external influences. In this phase of your journey, you should be able to react to your environment with a little more understanding and acceptance. The cards in this section will help you to strengthen your focus and believe in yourself. And then the last section, welcome change and welcome home. Open your heart and mind to receive warmth and love. Surround yourself with people who are good to you and who respect and accept you. Live your life in self-reflection and be the change you want to see in the world. Appreciate your true self, your soul. The cards in this section should remind you that you are totally free from everything that holds you back, so you can live a life of full authenticity. Oh, I love that. Okay, so there's the cards meanings. This is awesome. Okay. Alrighty, let's get into the cards. Ooh, look at that. There's gold gilding right there. Love it. Here is the back. Oh, how pretty. They're a matte too, which I really love. Love me a matte card. Okay, so, ooh, they're on the thicker side, but still flexible. They snap back. I'm excited. Okay. This is a very gentle deck. Oh. The art style is fun, different. I'm loving the colors. Sometimes the typeface is hard to read because it kind of blends in with the background. I think that's my only critique so far. I like the size. I really like the feel of the cardstock. It's really nice. This, to me, would make a fantastic gift, whether to yourself or somebody you know that could utilize something like this. Oh. Oh, I love that. Ooh, that looks like a good time. You can use these as altar cards too, since it does come with a little stand there. Have the energy of the card as a reminder throughout your day when you look at your altar, or on your nightstand, your vanity, bathroom sink. Oh, that's pretty. I love all the plants. Obviously, I love all the plants. how sweet. Okay, so let's see how it shuffles. And I have to point out too that even though they're gilded, I had no problem separating the cards. Sometimes they stick together just by the way that it's manufactured like that. So when you do go to use your deck, you want to be very gentle when you peel them apart. But I didn't have that issue, so that was awesome. Ooh, okay. It's nice. One more for good measure. All right, let's get a card to read for the guidebook. I really like how it shuffles. Okay, so we are going to read for number 15. Love awakens my soul. I will begin to truly love myself with a love that awakens my soul. My heart is open to giving and receiving love. Let's just try it out in its little stand. Cute. Fits really nice. So yeah, you could just have that, sat wherever you can see it for the day. All right, love awakens my soul. So I will begin to truly love myself with a love that awakens my soul. My heart is open to giving and receiving love. It's not just a cliche. The more loving care you give to yourself, the more love you have to give to others, and the more love you will get back. Self-love is one of the best things you can do for yourself if you wish to live a joyful life. Working with and taking care of your inner child is a good way to improve self-love and is the key to confidence. And this was in the section of Light is Wrapping Me. Okay, so yes, it's only 36 cards. And it does have like a tiny guidebook, but it does give you some insight, right? And how the deck is structured and a little bit more insight into the card. But you do get a nice little stand. So all this to say, the price point is a really good price point for all of this. The quality of the cards are really nice. I love the feel of the cardstock. I love the art style. There's diversity. There's different body shapes. There's different hairstyles. It's very gentle, and I feel like this is a deck that can produce some healing or help facilitate in some healing, as well as just a really great ritual tool for self-care or for your full new moon readings and rituals. I think this would be great for that as well. Like I said, fantastic gift. I'm really excited to start tapping into this. So I am going to now throw it over to you. What do you guys think about this deck? Is it something that you're excited about? Is it something that you haven't come across yet? Or is this a hard pass for you? Please let me know all your thoughts down in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me today and for continually coming back and hanging out with me. I appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.